Imagine slipping on a pair of glasses and instantly being transported to another world. Whether it's gaming, working out, or even designing the next big thing in 3D, virtual reality glasses are the ultimate ticket to the future. But which one is worth your time and money? Today, we're diving deep into the best VR headsets of 2025 to help you decide. Welcome back to our channel where we keep you updated on all things tech. In today's video, we'll explore and review the hottest VR headsets on the market. From budget-friendly options to premium powerhouses, we'll break down their features, performance, and who they're best suited for. And of course, we'll showcase their real-life applications, so whether you're here for gaming, fitness, or just curious about what VR can do, this video has something for everyone. Let's get started. The problem. Why this matters. Virtual reality is no longer a niche technology. It's quickly becoming a mainstream phenomenon, redefining the way we game, work, exercise, and even socialize. From immersive gaming experiences to virtual fitness classes and professional collaboration tools, VR has something for everyone. However, as the technology becomes more sophisticated, the decision to invest in the right VR headset can feel overwhelming. With new buzzwords like mixed reality, eye tracking, foveated rendering, and standalone VR entering the scene, it's easy to feel lost in the technical jargon. Should you prioritize advanced features like ultra-high refresh rates and dynamic visuals, or stick with a more budget-friendly model that offers the basics? And do you really need a PC or console to get the best experience, or can standalone headsets do the job just as well? Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a casual explorer, or someone completely new to VR, choosing the right headset depends on your needs and expectations. Don't worry though. We've done the research to help you navigate this exciting world and find the perfect VR glasses for your journey. Reviews and showcase. Here's a closer look at the best VR glasses of 2025, with detailed reviews and highlights of their strengths and weaknesses. 1. Meta Quest 3, Best All-Rounder. What's great? Completely standalone. No need for a PC or console. Incredible 4K plus resolution and expanded field of view. Fast Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor for smoother gameplay. Huge library of games, fitness apps, and creative tools. Features mixed reality capabilities, letting you blend VR with the real world seamlessly. What to watch out for. Battery life is limited, 2 to 3 hours per session. Lacks some of the advanced tracking features of higher-end headsets. Showcase. Imagine jumping into Beat Saber or Supernatural for a quick workout, or joining a multiplayer session of population. 1. The Meta Quest 3 is designed for fun, fitness, and functionality, all without wires. Who it's for? Beginners, casual gamers, and anyone seeking a versatile portable headset. 2. PlayStation VR 2, best for console gamers. What's great? A premium option for PlayStation 5 users, with stunning graphics and eye tracking. Haptic feedback in the controllers and headset for total immersion. Access to exclusive VR games like Horizon, Call of the Mountain and Resident Evil Village VR. Perfectly integrated into the 5 pounds ecosystem for seamless setup and gameplay. What to watch out for? Only works with the 5 pounds. No PC or standalone compatibility. Expensive for users who don't already own a 5 pounds. Showcase. Imagine stepping into the lush forests of Horizon, Call of the Mountain, where every detail is lifelike and every movement feels natural. The PSVR 2 delivers a cinematic VR experience like no other. Who it's for? Console gamers looking for a next-level VR experience. 3. Valve Index, best for hardcore PC gamers. What's great? Offers one of the best visuals in the market with a 144 Hz refresh rate and near zero latency. Advanced controllers with finger tracking for highly interactive gameplay. Steam VR compatibility gives you access to the largest library of VR games. What to watch out for? Requires a powerful gaming PC, bulky and expensive compared to other headsets. Showcase. For PC gamers, the Valve Index is a game changer. Picture playing Half-Life. Alyx with pinpoint accuracy and immersion, where even the smallest movements of your hands are reflected in real time. Who it's for? Hardcore gamers who prioritize performance and are willing to invest in the best. 4. HTC Vive XR Elite, best for mixed reality. What's great? Designed for mixed reality applications, blending virtual elements into your real environment. Compact, lightweight design that prioritizes comfort. Exceptional for both productivity, like 3D modeling and gaming. What to watch out for? Pricey and mixed reality applications are still growing. Showcase. This isn't just a VR headset, it's a tool. Picture yourself designing a 3D model for your next big project, or collaborating with colleagues in a virtual workspace. The Vive XR Elite takes VR beyond entertainment. Who it's for? Professionals and creators who need both functionality and immersion. 5. Pico 4, best budget option. What's great? Compact, lightweight, and incredibly affordable. Great for casual gaming and exploration. Decent visuals and tracking for the price point. What to watch out for? Smaller game library compared to MetaQuest or Valve Index. Tracking isn't as precise as higher-end models. Showcase. Perfect for newcomers to VR. Pico 4 is great for light gaming, exploring VR videos, or trying out fitness apps without breaking the bank. Who it's for? Budget-conscious users or VR newcomers. Real-life use cases. VR is no longer just about gaming. It's transforming how we live, work, and play. Here's how people are using VR today. Fitness. Apps like Supernatural and FitXR turn workouts into exciting adventures. Education. Experience history or science like never before by exploring interactive VR classrooms. Entertainment. Watch movies in virtual theaters with apps like Big Screen. Work and productivity. Remote collaboration, 3D design, and even virtual offices are made possible with VR. Climax. The future of VR. From gaming to fitness, VR is more versatile than ever, but its potential doesn't stop there. In the future, we could see virtual vacations, fully immersive concerts, and even life-changing medical applications. These headsets are just the beginning. Conclusion. Each of these headsets brings something unique to the table, catering to a wide range of needs, preferences, and budgets. Whether you're a first-time VR user looking for a simple, affordable way to dip your toes into virtual reality, or a hardcore gamer seeking the most immersive, cutting-edge experience, there's a headset designed just for you. Perhaps you're a creative professional who needs a VR tool for productivity and design, or maybe you're simply someone who wants to stay active with engaging fitness apps. The choice ultimately comes down to how you plan to use your VR headset and the features that matter most to you. But now we want to hear from you. Which of these headsets fits your lifestyle and expectations best? Are you drawn to the convenience of standalone devices like the Meta Quest 3, the console integration of the PlayStation VR 2, or the premium performance of the Valve Index? Or maybe you've got your eye on a budget-friendly option like the Pico 4. Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Your input could help someone else make their decision too. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech showcases. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on the headsets we covered. Until next time, see you in the virtual world.